Yon. Growing up, getting down. Dito tayo sa lalaban ng Biggest Loser. Oh, Biggest Loser yan, oh. Bring home the bacon. Wala eh, kinain mo naman daw ng malaking burger kahapon eh. Alas 10 ng gabi, nag-burger ka pa eh.